What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and I know you've been wondering where I've been. Last week I didn't make a video because we bought this guy. We got a new rig for the channel. Come check it out.
Actually, it's mine.
Yeah, it's Kate's Bronco.
I'm letting him drive it.
Yes, but we're having some cool plans coming up soon. What are we getting pretty soon here?
I don't know.
So she's been looking at wheels and tires. We're getting some wheels and tires pretty soon because those stocks 18s are just not doing pretty good. We're doing wheels and tires, maybe bumpers.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe getting some bumpers on this thing, so that would be pretty cool. It doesn't have lockers, but that's fine. We're not doing anything crazy without it. We're not doing anything too crazy. We do have the trail turn assist, so we're gonna have to try that out. Traction control, and then it has the goat mode. Normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud, ruts, sand, and yeah. Are you excited about your new build?
Yeah, I'm very excited about it.
Pretty cool mom car, I'd have to say.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're excited, and finally got a Bronco. I'm not gonna sell the Chevy.
My dream car.
Yeah, it's Kate's dream car. Her dream car, and we're not selling the Chevy. We're still having some fun with the Chevy. We got some good plans coming up soon, but we got the Bronco for other fun stuff too. And we're gonna go off-roading too.
Yep.
Boom! I'm super excited to have the Bronco in the family. It's gonna be a cool build, something different. I do like the rear suspension on the Broncos, and they do off-road a little bit better than the Chevy, but no lockers on this thing, so it doesn't. But we're not gonna be doing super hard trails because it is the wife's car, and is it a car or a truck? I don't know, what do you call it? So she wants some machined aluminum wheels, 17 with 35s on that thing. We're definitely doing some suspension because, yeah, just the OEM big bend suspension ain't gonna work. She's gonna get some good suspension. Maybe an Ibach kit. I don't know. Ibach kit's like the kind of the cheaper end of lifting a Bronco. Nothing too crazy. And then, yeah, we got the full-size spares, so we gotta buy 5 wheels and 5 tires, but whatever. Still got the plates on it. It is brand new. Well, not brand new. So this is a 2022 Ford Bronco Big Bend. So I think in 2025 they did put a rear locker in the Big Bends, but we got a 2022. We got a good deal on this thing. It only has 15,000 miles on it, and it was a one owner from Texas, so no rust, none of that bullshit. And I think his name was like Mike or something, Mike or Jerry or something. He leased it, so you know, it's a lease with 15,000 miles on it. Not bad. Not bad. We got it for like $35K, which in that price range, most of the Broncos have like 35 to 45,000 miles on it. This one has 15,000 miles on it. Super mint interior. It does not have leather or anything like that. We're gonna do like, you know, some nice seat covers. I know they make some really awesome looking seat covers nowadays. None of those cheap AutoZone covers. We're gonna get the nice fancy seat covers, and I'm excited to get building this thing. Gives me like a little extra fun because I've had the ZR2 I've had the Colorado platform in general since 2023, so 3 years. No, actually 2 years. No, wait, what? Well, I've had the Colorado platform for a good amount of time, and you know, I kind of know what I want with it. You know, it's not like a new thing that I'm researching. I've already, you know, researched all the stuff that I want and what I'm doing to the ZR2. but we're not gonna just do Bronco stuff. Bronco stuff will be very, very rare on the channel, unless you guys want more, but it's gonna be Colorado ZR2 content all day. We got suspension coming, maybe new wheels, tires are brand new, Firestone MT-02s, money. And a lot of camping trips. We're going to Pismo Beach, all this stuff, and having some fun with the ZR2. So we're not giving up for the Bronco. The Bronco is going to be like a secondary build that we're going to feature it sometimes. It's not going to be full-time, but Kate, the wife, is super excited on the Bronco. So am I. I'm super excited. And Big Bend has all LEDs, so that's cool. I'm not really sure what's the difference between the Big Bend and the Basic. I think we just have like all the small creature comforts like auto start, keyless entry and all that jazz. So she's been loving the top down, even though it's 115 degrees outside every single day, but it's been nice to have. So I'm excited for this one. One of the first things we did, second day actually, we took those stupid steps off, the OEM Ford Bronco steps, got rid of those things. It's not that tall. Kate didn't want them either. Just looks better without the steps. But right now, sitting pretty short. So we're coming in with maybe like a 2.5 inch lift, Ibach kit, and 35s, and we're gonna do some wheeling with it. Don't worry, she agreed. We're gonna do some wheeling, nothing crazy, but we're gonna do some fun backroad stuff, and it's gonna be a fun time. I told her not to get black paint, but she didn't listen. But the black paint does look really, really good, I'd have to say, because we're gonna keep it nice and easy trails, so we shouldn't be going down anything narrow, and it's a lot less narrow than like my Colorado I had, because my black paint was fucked. But I really love the black. Look at this thing. The black just looks so dang clean, especially with the sunset sunset going down on it. And looks good. And she's had it for like a week now, week and a half, a week, I think. And it doesn't look too dirty, so that's nice. Very nice. And right now, all stock, she's getting like 25 miles per gallon, which is pretty gangster. But yeah, like I said, bumpers, maybe, hopefully bumpers, because that bumper looks ugly. But I'm really excited to have like a hatch like this type of guy. Pretty cool. Kind of dig it. Kind of dig the hatch. And soft top, I can't really flick that out or anything, but pretty nice, I would have to say. Pretty dang nice. We got to get that off there. I ain't fucking promoting nobody. But yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah, that's what I've been doing for like 2 weeks, is looking for cars. First things we were looking at like electric vehicles, and I mean, they're very techy, but I don't think the batteries are there just yet. Maybe in a couple years it might be worth it. And she's always wanted a Bronco, and eventually we turned around to be looking at Broncos and everything like that. So super excited. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the Bronco, what type of content you want on the Bronco. I'm not going to be doing it a lot. Like, my channel is not going to just convert over to Bronco stuff. We ain't going to do that. ZR2 is still my favorite wheeling vehicle, so we're going to be doing some fun trails with that pretty soon. This one's just a little life update. New car. We've been looking at new cars. Didn't have a chance last week to post a video because we were looking at new cars. So yeah, that's about it, guys. We're going to enjoy the sunset. You can't really see, but the sun is going down a little bit, and we're gonna hang out, enjoy the new car, and let me know down in the comments what type of stuff. Let me know down in the comments what type of stuff you guys want. I'm super excited about this. Peace out. Love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe for Bronco and Colorado content. Peace out. Bye. Nope, I can't really go any faster than this because we're on those little skinny tires, and we ain't not trying to pop a tire.
Sorry, I like had it in your face.
It's fine.